everyone, welcome back again to my channel. This is Teacher Mars, and today's video we will discuss about finding the sum of the first n terms of a given arithmetic sequence. To let you experience getting the sum of the terms in a sequence manually, do the following. Example, find the sum of the first 20 terms, 20 natural numbers. So by listing all the natural numbers from 1 to 20 and adding them, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to 20, and we get the sum of 220. Thus, the sum of the first 20 natural numbers is 210. Another example is by adding the arithmetic sequence manually, find the sum of all the terms of the sequence 5, 10, 15, 20 to 50. So we can see that the common difference is 5, because 5 plus 5 is equals to 10, 10 plus 5 is equals to 15, so and so on. So solution, by listing all the terms of the sequence and adding them, we have the following. So the answer is 275. Thus the sum of the terms of the sequence is 275. So in doing this kind of solution, it is very challenging, especially if you are dealing with a sequence that has many terms. So for example, finding the sum of the terms of the sequence 1, 2, 3 up to 10,000. So there are 10,000 terms to be added one by one to get their sum. So as you can see, it is 10,000 and it is very difficult to sum all the sequence. So in dealing this, we have the formula. S sub n is equals to n over 2 times 2 sub a sub times a sub 1 plus d times n minus 1, where S sub n is the sum of the first n terms, a sub 1 is the first term, d is the common difference, and n is the total term. Example, finding the sum of the terms of the sequence 1, 2, 3 up to 10,000. So given a sub 1 is equals to 1, a sub n is equals to 10,000, n is equals to 10,000, common difference is 1, and we have to get the value for the sum of 1, 2, 3 up to 10,000. So by using the formula, S sub n is equals to n over 2 times 2 times a sub 1 plus d times n minus 1. So our solution is by substituting all the given numbers to the formula. So we have the value for n is 10,000, a sub 1 is 1, common difference is 1, and n is 10,000. So we have here the S sub n is equals to 10,000 over 2 times 2 plus 1 times 900 times 9,999, because we get the 10,000 minus 1. So we have here S sub n is equals to 5,000. 10,000 divided by 2 is equals to 5,000. So bring down to 1 times 9,999 is equals to 9,999. So we have here S sub n is equals to 5,000 times 10,001. So the value for the sum of the sequence 1, 2, 3 up to 10,000 is 50,005,000. So another is find the sum of the first 20 natural numbers. So given a sub 1 is equals to 1, a sub n is equals to 20, n is equals to 20, and s sub n is equals to what is asked. So our solution, since the last term is given, we use the following formula. So S sub n is equals to n over 2 times a sub 1 plus a sub n. So by substituting the given value, in the formulas. So the value of n is equals to 20, and the value for a sub n is equals to 20. So we have here the s sub 20. 20 divided 2 is equals to 10, and over 21. So our a sub 1 is 1. So we get the value for 21. So 10 times 21 is 210. So the sum of the first 20 natural numbers is 210. So example, find the sum of the first certain terms of the sequence. Negative 3, negative 1, 1, 3, up to 13 terms. So our solutions, since the last term is given, we use the following formula. S sub n is equals to n over 2 times a sub 1 plus a sub n. So substituting the given values in the formula. So we have here the s sub 13, n is equals to 13 over 2 times negative 3 plus 13. So negative 3 is our a sub 1. So s sub 13 is equals to 6.5, which is 13 divided by 2 is equals to 16.5, and negative 3 plus 13 is equals to 10. So 6.5 times 10 is equals to 65. So the sum of the first 13 terms of the sequence is 65. So that's all for today. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like my videos. So that's all. Finding the sum of the first n terms of a given arithmetic sequence.